everybody. Today I'm gonna teach literal equations. Okay, my name is Sean and I'm your math club. I'm math club student from this right. A literal equation is just like an equation with several letters. For example, like x, a, and b, like all those letters. Solving the literal equation is nearly like solving a linear equation. Our first example will be this. I'm not going to do the very advanced because we're on our first step. So x plus 5 equals 3. I'm just looking down onto a book. It just tells me what sum to write. So to solve x plus 5 equals b, we need to like put the x here so we can have the x here. Alright, so we have b and our number, and then you move this here, this becomes minus. So that is b minus 5. Okay, so I know my rod is just a paper ball, but it really erases. It's kind of magic. Alright, our next one is right here. If we're solving a literal equation with a 0, just for example, 0 equals x plus 8, if we have that. Now, if we have a literal equation with that, all we have to do is just don't bother about the 0, because the 0 is nothing at all to the equation. So we're going to just put that there, x equals c. Nothing to do with 0. Okay, our next example, here. Okay, we're gonna deal with fractions this time. Now, for example, bx equals minus b minus w. Alright, w. I know it's an advanced letter, but w is used in some equations. I'm sorry, my voice. I just moved that there. Oh, sorry for that. Okay, sorry for the camera going down. Now so for this equation, we're going to say if the bx, we need to make this into a fraction. So x equals minus b minus w over b. Now we do not cancel at all. Whenever I was doing my worksheet, I was canceling that mistake. So don't try canceling the um the equation. Sorry for the noise. So just close the door. My dad's just watching a TV show. Now that is the answer for your equation. Alright? All you have to do is just keep this part and this part. This x will go there. And this b will go straight to the denominator. Right? And this will be the n, which is the numerator. And this will be the d, the denominator. And this will be the x equals that and that and that. Okay. I know I'm not facing you, right? But it doesn't matter. So you still see it. So okay. See here. Okay. I'm going too much advanced. Okay, here's an example I really want to show you. Now come back here. I know it's taking a long time, but here in this part, okay, so we're gonna solve this equation. Parentheses AB x equals AB. A plus B, not AB. Okay, if A plus B x plus equals. So what we want to do with this, so this part was just like AX plus BX, alright, never mind me writing that. Okay, so now we put the X down here, the equals, and this A plus B over A plus B. Now only at this time you cancel, because everything is the same, so this cancels out, and that cancels out. I forgot to choose another one, so it's better looking. Looks better, please. So my hands are getting really dirty with chalk, but now all of this equals 1. That's our final answer. That equals 1. Can you see? X equals 1. Okay, so if we have like a negative number, so for example, just have a negative A plus B, X equals A minus B. If we have that, what are we going to do with this equation? Now it's nearly like before, but there's a different like method by doing with these negative numbers. So I know my hand is not good. So remember, like last time, we make this X and then A minus B over this A minus A plus B. Now we do that, then this is not our final answer because the signs are not properly done yet. Okay, just put division. Minus 1 plus 1. Easiest though, if you get to these situations, all you have to do is what is minus and plus. It's minus, so it's minus what? I know up to the bottom right there, minus 1, because it's a very long solution. Okay. We are nearly done with our lesson now. It's not quite long like this. Okay, we're just gonna do another bit. No, there's so much here. Alright, the rearranging method. This was the basic method, just with the negatives and positives. So if we want to do the rearranging method with like for example a plus 1x equals 1 plus a. Now this is a very easy part because all you have to do is rearrange the you know, a plus 1 to 1 plus a. So all we have to do is just do that, and then now they can cancel out, and then x equals 1. Okay. Okay, for our final example, what's the negative answer? Only my dad did. Okay, so if we want the negative ones to deal with negative numbers like minus b plus let me see, w x oh sorry, I know it's a very big equation. I forgot why that's too big. Okay, this is w equals w minus b. So very itchy now. But here, I forgot to put the X. Sorry. X. My writing is really kind of big. Can you see the X? Guys, it's just right here. That X. So I take this time. So minus W minus V. Please do not put bad comments at my videos. Please, I do not tolerate any of that at all. Okay, so X equals 1. So that is the end of our lesson. And for some notes about this lesson now, some notes what we've done now. Okay, what we've done, right, from that class. Okay, what we've done now, I'll put on the light. Right, is it more brighter? But now, we've done a lot now. Now, it was only our basic part, but as you can see, some notes about the literal equations are just like whenever you do like a basic, like just what I've done now, like if it's like x plus 5 equals b, you just put x there and then b plus 5. So that's the way to do the basic literal equations. At my next part, you can go into my next part. I'm gonna upload it today. Now, next part. Now, see you soon on to the next one.